Do you want to know how I made all this slime? Stay tuned because there's going to be some messy situation coming up. Not Ronaldo. Many of you ask me if I do my own slime, and that's correct, I do. And today we're going to be mixing some of my slimes all together. So this is a mega slime mixer. Woo, let's get to it. Many times I don't do my slime on camera, but today I decided to show you some of my collection and mix them together. This is gonna get pretty messy. Not Ronaldo. Did you get the joke? No? Okay. But also soon I'm going to be opening messy! I got the joke pretty good. This is gonna get really messy. All you're going to be needing is some activator with borax and water, some slimes, and a big bucket. I'm going to be starting with pouring all my slimes out, and then I'll show you how it looks after. This is my first one. The blue sparkly one is in, and look at my hand. It's full of slimy slime. Next, we have my yellow sparkly giraffe slime. Now we're going to be opening the tip of the Ziploc. And we are going to taking it out. Whoa, that looks super satisfying. It looks like mustard. Time to move on to a different color. Now we're going to add my shiny blue avalanche slime. Look at that! That's so much! Whoa, it covered the bottom of the box! Wow, I really enjoyed making the slime. Let's keep taking them out. Now it's My Little Pony pink slime. It looks like frosting. And take a look at all those different sparkles. And now my orange slime. Let's make a twirl. That looks pretty awesome, and there's so many different colors. It's super sticky. For this next slime, I used a lot of glitter. That's why I called it Glitter Bomb. I did get a little messy with that one. My next one is Ghost Trill. Look at that! It's so clear. The next slime I'm putting in is Cloudy Sky. Next one coming up is called Peachy. And finally, we have my Sea Blue slime. And now it's time to mix all the different colors up. Look at all those colors, it's so colorful. I think it's gonna turn all blue. Wow. Looks turquoise right now. Now that everything is mixed together, we got some borax and water, and we're gonna pour that in because it's a little sticky. And now we gotta mix, 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 mix. Then we keep adding more activator until it's not sticky anymore. Now we're going to put in some shaving cream. And now we mix. Look at that green color. Now it's getting better. We are almost done. Let's add in some more activator. When it starts unsticking to your hands easily, it means it's done. So it's time to take it out of the bucket. Look at that. It sounds amazing. And there's so much. It's so spreadable too. I thought this was going to be a fail, but this was a success. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more videos and tell me down below if whatever different slime videos I should be doing. Bye everybody and stay slime-tastic. I'm gonna keep playing with this slime off camera. Also, this slime's name is Minty Green. Bye everybody. It's so huge!